Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two headphones in this video. So let's go, now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Headphone type. Weight. Can be folded. Transducer. Part 2. Sound quality. Noise cancellation. Lowest frequency. Highest frequency. Driver unit size. Impedance. Sound research level. Bass amount. Travel amount. Part 3. Connectivity. Bluetooth version. Multi-device pairing. Haptics, low latency. Connectivity. Part 4. Power. Battery life. Charge time. Battery level indicator. A removable battery. And finally, price. Price. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel. Do not forget like, comment and share.